UStuart Shanik okubikwa ukuthi ungumqaphi wephini likakhomishana wamaphoyisa elimisiwe uShadrack Sibiya uthi yena akazaphange ngisho neyodwa imoto phambilini futhi lezi insolo sezenze umonakalo omkhulu emndenini wakhe zaphinde zamdumisa kabi.
I haven't been convicted of one hijacking in my life. I've got my records from the LCRC just down the road. And if General Khumalo had any intelligence, as the head of intelligence, he would have picked up the phone and phoned the LCRC, which keeps the records of all the cases. Simply because he hasn't done that and he's misled the commission by lying under oath, we felt compelled to charge him.
uShanik uvulela uKhumalo amacala amathathu okubala kuwona lokuphosisa enkantolo ngaphansi kwesifungo.
Charges of perjury. The second charge would obviously be contravention of the POPIA Act and defeating the ends of justice. Once my legal team had gone through his statements and his affidavits, we carefully studied what he testified on the day and the information that he presented at the Madlanga Commission, and we felt fit to raise these three matters criminally, as well as we are now preparing to sue him civilly as well, and we will incorporate the minister in that legal claim.
Ngokuwa Lieutenant General Khumalo, uShanik walahlwa amacala ayishumi okubala kuwona wokuduna izimoto. uShanik uthi akaphiki ukuthi khona amacala agwetshelwa wona kepha akaza agwetshelwe ukuduna izimoto empilweni yakhe. Uthi usezohlala phansi nabameli bakhe ukuze badingide mayelana nemali yesinxephezelo.